We'll have the next speaker, Dr. Srikala Padmanabhan, who is a very good interventional cardiologist and also a vascular interventionalist practicing in Kerala.
Good evening, respected chairpersons, all panelists, and my dear friends, my dear colleagues. At the outset, I would like to thank Professor Khanna for giving me opportunity to present my case before this august audience. So today I would like to share a case of critical limb ischemia in so this is the story of a 92-year-old lady. So it's a story of a 92-year-old lady who presented with critical limb ischemia of lower limb. She had so she presented with gangrene and ulcer of her big and second toes. She was 92 years and she had history of coronary heart disease with the left bundle branch block pattern and chronic atrial fibrillation. And she is on regular treatment for that. And when she presented, she had history of rest claudication symptoms for the past 1 month. And she also had gangrenous, pre-gangrenous changes of the first and second toes. So she was taken after the preliminary workup. She also had diabetes mellitus, and she had no previous history of POVD. And after the preliminary workup, she was taken up for a peripheral and coronary angiogram. Her peripheral angiogram revealed a flush occlusion of left superficial femoral artery. As you can see from this picture, the profunda is filling and we cannot see the stump of femoral artery. And the distal SFA can be seen filling from collaterals. So we tried multiple views so as to see the ostium, and we were planning for the crossover approach from above, since already we have put a sheet from above, and she also had a difficult iliacs. So from the opposite side, that is from the right femoral side, the different views were taken, and with the multipurpose guiding catheter, I was able to view the ostium of the superficial femoral artery in this view. So it was a diffusely diseased and totally occluded superficial femoral artery. And with the multipurpose catheter, we tried the Terumo wire, and the lesion was crossed with the Terumo wire, with the hard end of Terumo wire, and the lesion was crossed and placed in the anterior tibial artery. So after passage of the wire, a trickle of flow was established in the SFA, and you can see there is only faint flow, and multiple balloon dilatations were done using initially coronary and then peripheral balloons, and a good flow was established in the entire superficial femoral artery and also in the infrapopliteal vessels, because we are not able to see the ATA and PTA in the initial angiogram. So once the flow was established, we decided to stent the osteoproximal SFA with a 6x120 millimeter silver stent from Cook, with the final good flow up to the toes. And she also had a relief of this claudication pain, and the ulcer also healed totally within a span of 1 month. And intervention in this lady, even though she was 92 years, the bystanders and all the others were willing for all sort of intervention. And actually, she was the grandmother of one of our orthopedicians. And successful intervention saved the limb from amputation. And SFA intervention was very crucial in this lady for this ulcer healing process. Because of this, because of the background of atrial fibrillation, a cardioembolic source was considered, and the patient was started and discharged on NOACs. Thank you. Thank you for the patient listening.
While the next speaker is preparing, can I ask a question? Whether you can use a long balloon or drug balloon in this patient, or always we have to stent the...
No, it's we can use a long drug-eluting balloon. Actually, this case, I have done this case around 3 years back when the peripheral drug-eluting balloons were not much available in India. So, and moreover, in this lady, I have not included all the videos. There was dissection in the osteoproximal part of superficial femoral artery, because initially there was we could not see the ostium, but I think by repeated attempts only I was able to establish the flow in the SFA. So we decided to stent the SFA because of the dissection.
Thank you.